How to play Steam games on your phone without needing a PC. Let's get started. To play Steam games on your phone without a PC, we'll be using a combination of Steam Link and cloud gaming service like Nvidia GeForce Now or Boosteroid. These services allow you to stream games directly to your phone. First, download and install the Steam Link app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Next, you'll need an account with the cloud gaming service. Open your preferred browser and go to the Nvidia GeForce Now website and sign up for an account. Once you have your GeForce Now account set up, link it to your Steam account. In the GeForce Now app, go to Settings, then Game Sync and follow the instructions to link your Steam account. Now open the Steam Link app on your phone, tap Get Started and then log in with your Steam account. In the Steam Link app, instead of connecting to a local PC, you'll be using GeForce Now to stream your games. And that's it. By following these steps, you can play your favorite Steam games on your phone without needing a PC.